My name is Chandni Sharma, and I graduated from the Cordon Bleu, Australia in 2023, and I studied Advanced Diploma of Hospitality Management in pâtisserie. So I always wanted to be a pastry chef, but when it came down to after finishing my high school, I went with doing my undergrad in psychology honors. But then after that, once I graduated, I was like, this is not it. This is just not getting me where I want to be. So I just switched. So currently I'm working at Nomad Sydney as a Demi Pastry Chef. My job mainly involves production and executions of the desserts and to make sure that I follow the standards that has been set by Nomad while using the techniques and the knowledge that I have learned at Le Cordon Bleu. I distinctly remember the day, like at the age of 16, someone in my friends and family, they told me about Le Cordon Bleu. And then I got so curious. I went up, looked up everything, and I was like, this is it. This is amazing. They offer what I want. And then when I started studying about Australia, I got to realize the hospitality culture here is very progressive and innovative and also comforting at the same time. So it's like, this is the perfect opportunity to grow. The best part about Le Cordon Bleu is that it gives you the flexibility to choose if you want to do pastry, you want to do cuisine, or you just want to do both. The lecturers, the teachers, all the resources that we needed, we don't need anything else. And they help you prepare everything for the industry. The amount of questions I've asked my lecturers, and they never ever said like, why are you asking? And it's like, just go for it, ask as many questions as you can ask. That advanced diploma gave me the opportunity to learn the technical and the practical knowledge, and not just the pastry part, but also the legalities, the business side of it, that you just need to be aware of where you are. It's not just about every day walking into a kitchen and just working. You need to be aware what's happening in your surroundings. And Le Cordon Bleu really helped me navigate the whole thing better. Le Cordon Bleu has such a great reputation and it is globally renowned, and I am grateful to be a part of such a prestigious institution. Because it is globally renowned, Le Cordon Bleu has not just helped me open doors in Australia, but all over the world.